So, dear students, in this lecture, we will be discussing about beams which are subjected to support settlements. So, if you look in this particular question, we have a three-span continuous beam having each span is having different moments of inertia, and the support B is undergoing a settlement of 10 mm. So to solve these kind of problems, we have to use the general form of the three moment equation. So if you look into the general form of the equation, m1 into L1 by I1 plus 2m2 into L1 by I1 plus L2 by I2 plus m3 into L2 by I2 is equal to minus 6 a1 x1 by L1 minus 6 a2 x2 by L2 I2 minus 6e into delta 1 minus delta 2 by L1 plus delta 3 minus delta 2 by L2. Here what we have to notice, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3 are all the support settlements and are assumed positive if they are in the downward direction. And in this particular problem, since we do not have any loading on the beam, the simply supported bending moment diagrams will be 0. Therefore, these two terms will vanish from the equation. Also, we know that three moment equation can only be applied for a two-span continuous beam. Therefore, we have to apply the three moment equation successively. So first we will apply for the span ABC. So if we apply for the span ABC, what we have here is uh, so at the support A we have delta 1 equal to 0 because it is not having any settlement. Similarly at support B, delta 2 equals 10 raised to minus 3 meter. We have to represent the settlements in uh, meter, and also it is positive because it is in the downward direction. And similarly delta C is 0, delta 3 is 0 as it is a positive as there is no support settlement. Now if we apply the equation, MA into 4 by I plus 2MB into 4 by I plus 6 by 3I plus MC into 6 by 3I is equal to minus 6E into, in the brackets we will have delta 1 minus delta 2. So delta 1 is 0 and delta 2 is 10 raised to minus 3 divided by L plus delta 3 minus delta 2. So delta 3 is also 0 and delta 2 is 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 6. So if you simplify this, we will get 12 MB plus 2 MC is equal to 6 EI into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 divided by 24 is equal to 1200. So the value of EI is given as 48,000 kilonewton meter square. If you simplify this equation, we will be getting this particular equation, that is 6 MB plus MC equals 600. Now, what we have to do next is we have to apply it for the span BCD. So again, if we apply the three moment equation for the span BCD, we have again in this case delta 1 becomes 10 raised to minus 3, that is the support settlement at B, and is positive because it is downward, and delta 2 and delta 3 both are 0 in this case as C and D do not have support settlement. Again we have to write the general form of the three moment equation. Here what we have to notice, uh, this portion we will be having delta 1 minus delta 2. Now delta 1 is, in this case it is 10 raised to minus 3 and delta 2 is 0. Similarly here we will have delta 3 minus delta 2. Since both delta 3 and delta 2 are 0, it becomes the entire term becomes 0. So now if you simplify this, you will get MB plus 2MC equals minus 240. So solving the two equations, we will get MB equals plus 111.72 kilonewton meter and MC as minus 70 kilonewton meter. So we can draw the bending moment diagram in this format. It will only be consisting of support moments. One thing we have to notice, when the beam is not having any support settlements, the support moments will always be hogging or negative in nature. However, when beams are subjected to support settlements, there can also arise sagging moments at the supports. So this point has to be noted. We will see in another lecture with a new example. Thank you.